So in this short video I'm going to show you the procedure involved in bringing survey data from an Excel spreadsheet into an AutoCAD drawing. So you can see here I've got some basic information such as point ID, easting, northing and level for 10 points in total. That's taken from a small survey that was conducted, so I need to bring that into an AutoCAD drawing so that I can do some drafting with it. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to combine these cells into a single cell, which will allow us to bring it in as an AutoCAD point. So what you need to do is just to select any empty cell, doesn't matter which one, any of them will do, and we want to use a particular formula. So come up to the formulas toolbar and come down to your text functions, and we're looking for the concatenate function here. So click on that and you can see it brings up this dialog box asking us for information such as which text field we want to do. Now essentially what we want to do is we want to take the 1000 east, 1000 north and 100 in height and combine them into a single cell which says 1000, 1000, 100. So the first text field we want to put in, if you click on that in there, is going to be the easting. The second text field is going to be a comma. Third text field is going to be the northing. Fourth text field is a comma, and the last text field is the height. Oops, I didn't click down. So click down on text 5 and click on the value for the height, D2 in this case. Okay, when you've entered those, you can press OK. And you can see now we've got a cell which has the same values as cells B, C and D, but it has them combined into a single cell. To repeat that command, that formula for all the other points, you just need to extend that formula down and it will automatically do that for you. Okay, so we've taken 3 separate columns here and we have combined them into a single column with the numbers separated by a comma. So to go into AutoCAD now, highlight those cells, do a right click and go copy into your AutoCAD file now, and what we want to do is we want to draw some points. So come up to our draw part of the ribbon, select the multiple points option, click on that, come down to your command line, do a left click on it, then do a right click and go paste. You can hit the escape key now because you're finished drawing points, and if you look in here now you can see those points have appeared on the screen. If you do this and you don't see any points on the screen initially, it may be just that you're zoomed to the wrong part of the model space, and in that case all you need to do is zoom to the correct area. So press Z, enter, E, enter, and the screen will zoom to all of the information you've got. Now because we used all 3 columns there instead of just easting and northing, each of these points will have a height associated with it. So if you want to just double check that, you can go into the ID command. So type in ID and enter. Click on any of the points, making sure your object snap is set to node. Click on any of the points, and if you look down and you're just above your command line, you'll see the easting, the northing and the height value for that. Now that you've brought those points in, you can do some further drawing, such as joining them up to show lines for any features that may have been included in your survey.